If you want to take 5 more minutes to let some others join, that is fine. That is up to you. You take the decision. Right, Kamran?
Yes, yes. We can wait for more than like six
Yeah.
more 5 to 6 minutes.
Yeah, you can
The
start the
webinar is
webinar
live.
and you can start the webinar and announce that at 6.
The webinar is live. I've made Kamran the host.
Great. Thank you so much, Hitesh. Kamran, you can start the webinar at 6, or you can say.
Yeah, I will start this by 6:05.
Okay, thank you so much, Kamran. Hi, Kamran.
Yes, hi.
Yeah,
I have started.
you've started the webinar?
Yeah, I have started.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
So attendees are zero.
There is one attendee, Mr. Abhay, right now. So you can wait for 5 minutes or so.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Okay. So we'll wait 3 more minutes, then we'll start. Jay Banerjee, Nutana, Venkatraman, you can give a chat message to me. You can send a chat message responding. Yes, Nutana, like you were asking. Good evening, Nutana. If we can't complete the course by Jan till 17 will become what, Nutana? Like what will be unavailable? You mean to say about Salesforce? No, it is open source, Nutana. It will be available. Once you create once you sign up with the Salesforce, no, then you can use it as long as you want. There is no restrictions over that. It's an open source free platform. It is available. No issue. Okay, so we start. I think I have cleared Anudana. This SSC assessment. Yes, Nutana. So I think like this about this, Aditya sir will tell. Okay.
Abhishek. Yes, so the SSC assessment is Sector Skills Council NASCOM assessment. Once you complete the course, on the Future Skills Prime, there is an option of giving an assessment. So once you complete the course, please give the assessment. Any further question to this, Nutana? Okay, we will share the link to the assessment here in the chat, and using that, you can give the assessment. It is a proctored exam. You can use your laptop and desktop to give it. Yes, it has a fees of 600 rupees, inclusive of taxes. And you will get a certificate from Government of India. It will have Future Skills Prime and Meaty logos to it. I've
Yes,
shared, sorry, Kamran, just completing the last question. I have pasted the link to the assessment in the chat box. And I hope, Anuthana, you have joined the Telegram group as well. If not, please let us know. Oh, just a second. So, yes, so in the Telegram group as well, the information regarding the assessment is there. You can check one of the pinned messages. You will find the links, see same links there as well. Yes, Kamran, you can continue now. Thank you.
okay. Yeah, without wasting time, we'll start. Uh, so I think my screen is visible to everyone. Am I right? Is my screen visible? Okay, thank you, Venkataraman. Okay, fine. So we'll move to our Salesforce part. I think you have got enough introduction information about the Salesforce. That is, it's one of the cloud-based CRM tool application, whatever you can consider, you may can consider. But the thing is, it's completely the Salesforce platform is built to handling, not only to handle, it is starting from the sales and the point of from the it begins a journey from the sales, then services, then lead generation, then converting the leads into business, then business after the sales, the services like customer feedback, customer satisfaction, everything from sales to till the product is been emerged into the market, and till the usage of the product, and also after the use of the product, what are the feedbacks should be given, everything managed by the Salesforce CRM, right? So now the remaining topics, in the remaining more topics, we will be covering so many information. But today, I am going to take you to the next part module, that is duplicate management. In the duplicate management, there are two topics that have been mentioned, that is improve data quality in Salesforce, and as well as resolve and prevent duplicate data in Salesforce. Okay. So my first question to you all is that I think I cannot I can make you to chat only, yes. So guys, what is the thing is, whenever I ask any question, or if you have any question, please do a just put a message in the chat box so that I can reply, and I will, and also I can read your answers even. Okay, so improve data quality in Salesforce. This is the first topic. Okay, so I will just give you the brief introduction about the data quality. Okay, now just forget about the word Salesforce here. Just go for data quality. I will be starting with that. So data quality is nothing but, see, is this visible? Yes, it's visible. So data quality is nothing but, if suppose I'm just opening. Yeah. Yes, so data quality. Okay. So data quality is mainly used to keep a clarified or clarity data for the users. Example, if the figure is 1000 rupees, okay, if the figure is 1000 rupees, if the numbers are 1000 rupees, if there is 1000 leads are generated, then there should be 1000 leads in the reports. In the report. Okay, 1000 leads should be there in the report. If the leads, if the overall data is telling that I have generated 1001 leads and only 1000 leads are in the report, then there is a confusion of one lead. Even for the business, one lead is very important, correct? So if there is a confusion of one lead, then where do you where is the the data is missing, when the data lag behind? That will be a very tough question to answer, because if the data is not accurate, if the data is not proper, then how can you ask, or how can you run a certified business, like a business with all the models and a business with all the logical things into that? How can you implement all these things? That is a very big question, right? So in order to run a business smooth, so the main thing is quality. Of course, quantity deals with quality, but the thing is how you prepare it, how you deal with that, it all comes together, right? So my question and answer regarding the data quality is very simple, that if you want to run a successful business, you have to have accurate data. You should know what is the data you have, how many things, like what are where the data has been reported, how do you manipulated the data, how you created the data, what is the data updation you did, all these things you have to know. Okay, so in order to do all this thing, we have a data quality manager or the quality assurance, quality who will check the quality of the data. Like there are so many designations will be there, who will handle all these things together, right? Then now, in order to in order to have a correct data, first thing, in order to have a correct data, meaningful data, the unwanted data which is not needed should be removed from the system, or should be removed from the report. That is the first thing you have to take care. There, have you heard about redundancy? Data redundancy, duplicacy data. Okay, so here the question comes, here the question arises about the duplicacy in the data, redundant data. The data is repeated twice, thrice, even 5 times, 10 times. Okay, that decreases, that makes the quality of the data to be down, right? In order to avoid that, we have to take out the duplicacy, redundant data from our system. We have to completely take the redundant data or duplicate data from our system. Now, in order to do this, in Salesforce, we have a the topic, a model which tells about how to improve the data quality in Salesforce. Okay. Now, here the wasteful data, in the sense the data is redundant. Okay, how to prevent the duplication of the data. All these things have been told and explained it. Okay, then so there are some advantages of duplicate data. Okay, there are some advantages of, yeah, there are many advantages, but when you take about the sales representative works, okay, example, I'm just telling you, suppose I will be showing you the example. There is a company called ABC. Listen this example, you will be getting to know exact what I'm trying to explain. There's a company called ABC. There are some 100 uh, uh, you can take a salesperson, okay, working for the company, ABC company, company name is ABC, and there are some 100 salesperson, okay, and you take, let's take, this is the insurance company, okay. Now, there is a lead A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the leads. Example, leads means like these leads have been generated from the social media campaigns, and these are the names of the leads. I'm generally just taking. Okay, you can take Akash, Bharat, Chaitra, whatever name you want. You can just take. Now, all the leads, how do we contact them? So they will contact them via mobile number. Correct. Will contact via mobile number. So here, if you're contacting them via mobile number, we should have first the data, how the data has been qualified, like how the data will be purified, or how the data will be consistently, we tell that it's a quality data. When Akash have correct mobile number, if we have taken a correct mobile number, then we can tell that, okay, this data is pure and correct. Okay. Apart from that, as I told, there are 100 salesperson, right? So suppose if the Akash data is sent to 10 salesperson, 10 salesperson, Akash data see how the data should be modified or how the data should be added to the hotel instance. Example, Akash should be sent to the any one of the salesperson, and one that salesperson only should call Akash, and he had to follow up with Akash. He had to close the lead or deal. This is how the business works. But what if Akash data is handed over to 10 salesperson, and 10 salesperson call Akash one by one? Example, one person is calling at 10 a.m., the second person is calling at 12 a.m., the third person is calling at 3 p.m. Then what Akash do? The Akash will cancel the company subscription. They will lose Akash, a very good customer, because of the they have called and annoyed him, disturbed him in such a way that he have decided to have the services from your company. Clear? Then what does that means that if you have a duplicate data, like if you have sent a duplicate copies to a 10 different person with the same number, and if they're calling and pitching some different things to him, then what the company will do? The company will simply lose the customers, right? So that in order to avoid all these things, the duplicate management tool for the Salesforce came into existence. I hope this example made you clear. Chat box, you can put a chat box, like you can put a message in the chat box. Thank you, Venkatraman. Thank you, Amita, as well. Okay, so this is how the companies, the business should work, right? Now, this is about the data, how the duplicate data works out. Like I have given the different example, here some different example, but I have told you the example which I have given the example that is very easy example where you can all understand it very clearly. Okay, that's the reason I have given that example to you. Okay, now here they have asked about the question answers, like the multiple choice questions, which makes you more understandable about this thing. Okay, so the first question, okay, I will just go for the, okay, yes, now you cannot see. Okay, so these are the question answers. There are 5 question answers about the data duplicacy. Okay, we have to do much more things, so I'm not I don't want to waste the time here. Okay, the first question tells that what's true about duplicate records? Yes, you can answer. See, I have explained you what is that, and now it's your time. No matters if it is right or wrong, but I need participants to answer. Like you can give just A, B, C, D, which are the option you want. You can give the option and you can tell me the answer. What's true about the duplicate records? What is the true statement about duplicate records? So they have taken that a represent can rely on multiple records of the same data. They can waste your represent times. They are safety net in case teammates inadvertently updated and matching a record. They negatively affect your company's reputation. And B and D. Okay, someone have messaged. It's E, B and D, Venkatraman. Any other? Any other who want to give the answer? It's a very simple answer, guys. See, what's true about a duplicate records they have asked. Okay, a represent can rely on multiple records from the same data. So this is how it's a duplicate data, right? And D, because they negatively affect, I told you, right? I told you they negatively affect your company reputation. I told you that if the him, oh, okay, correct. So there is A and D, both are, sorry, not this one. They can waste your represent time. This one, they can waste your representative time, like sales represent time. And also D, they negatively affect your company. So B and D is the correct answer, guys. B and D is the correct answer. Therefore, E is the option. Now, next question is, how can controlling duplicate records help admins? How can controlling duplicate records help admin? What is the right answer? I will just go with the right answers. Any answer? Anyone? Chat box? Anyone in the chat box who can tell the answer of this question? How can controlling duplicates record help admins? So there are options called you don't worry about sending alerts, you don't run the risk of advertising studies. So see, all these answers are wrong. A is the correct answer because sales stream trust. Yes, one answer I got, and that is A. Thank you, Nutana. It's the correct answer. Nutana, it's the correct answer. Sales team trust that you manage your CRM, okay, system with the success in mind. I told you, if you're managing something, they will like think in perspective of the business and they will give the right solution for that. Okay, eliminating duplicate data. What could be the answer? Eliminating duplicate data. It is a manual and time-intensive process. Take the guesswork out of wondering whether a prospect is already a customer. Ensure that one representative doesn't try to qualify a lead that a colleague already owns, or both A and C or B and C. What could be the answer? I got a message, and B and C, Amit is telling, and A and C. Okay, E, one more, Jay Banerjee, E. Okay, so which I need to go on? Either when to go on D or E. I'm telling you the answer is only with this both D and E. D and E. I'm telling you this ABC is not like there are two multiple answers are correct here. That's the reason there is only answer with a D. Like the answer will lie some D and E. Okay. See, I will just tell you, but I'm going with the participants. Participants, I'm going with you all. Okay, I'm selecting E. I will tell you whether it is right or wrong, but I'm going with you people. It's E. Okay. Standard duplicate rules are available. What could be the correct answer? Standard duplicate rules are available on a first come first serve basis. No, definitely not, because standard duplicate rule are not like person the A is putting one number and again B is putting another one number. No, that is not possible. If your sales for organism was created in sprint 15 or later, so B, yeah, that's the correct answer. Amita, thank you. That's the correct answer, B. Okay, then we'll go for the next. We don't want to waste time here. Then duplicate management helps sales representative. Duplicate management help sales representative in what way? Now, when they are creating a potential duplicate record, add a prospect as both the lead and contact simultaneously, merge contact with the case A and B, A and C. I got an answer. Amita is telling A. Jai Banerjee is telling E. Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Okay. I will go with Amita's answer. No, when they are creating a potential duplicate record, duplicate management helps salesmen to know when they're going with a duplicate potential record, and we'll go with the check quiz option. And you can see all the answers are correct. Done? Okay. Yes. Well, thank you, and very good. You participate well in the first topic. Now let's move on to the next topic. Okay, that is our resolve and prevent duplicate data in Salesforce. I want you people also have to be like take out your Salesforce and log into your Salesforce account and start doing this as well. Okay, fine. Now, guys, now we are going to take a task here. Now we are going to take a task over here. The task is about to create a matching rule. Okay, the task is to create a matching rule. We have to create a matching rule called fuzzy logic. And why we are creating a matching rule in the sense, in order to match the duplicacy of the data, to check the duplicacy of the data, we're going to create a matching rule, that is fuzzy logic. So they are telling the topic is resolve and prevent duplicate data in Salesforce. Now we have studied about what is the theory concept based upon on the this regarding the duplicacy of the data. Now we are going to see about the practical thing that just we need to complete this one and hands-on exercise, and we have to check our challenge and we have to get the points over there. Okay, so put any trailhead, create any trailhead playground. Okay, so it is used to element. Let's be done with that. Okay, now we just go for the take out your playground, trailhead playground, and launch. Go for the launch option. Go for the launch. Okay, go for the launch. Go for the launch. I think you have launched the Salesforce trailhead playground. Now, guys, we are going to create a matching rule. Okay. Now, yes, I think you people are ready so that I will start. Yes, I just want to take out. Okay, guys. Now, the first thing is first we need to go. They are telling that I will just explain what I need to do, what we need to do here. I will just minimize this one. Okay, so here the challenge says that we have to create a matching rule for the object contact. So, guys, contact is one of the standard object. There are two kind of objects in Salesforce we have, standard as well as custom, right? So contact is said to be a standard object. Don't forget that one. There are two kinds of objects, the standard and custom. Custom objects, what we create for our customizations, and default objects are nothing but the contact objects and many more, account object, lead object. These are called to be standard objects. So contact is a standard object, and we are creating a matching rule, and we are giving a name for the tool, that is the contact with fuzzy logic, and the unique name is also same. Okay, and what we are doing is we are going for the field email. That means the mail, if the mail is exact, then the duplicacy will be created, and that makes the duplicacy data, and that will reduce in the future if anyone adding the same mail or any duplicate mail, then they will reduce the duplicacy and they will terminate the mails or they will terminate the data. That is the thing. Okay, what we are going to do here. So for the field, as for the field email, as for the field first name. Okay, and as well as first name also. Here, what we are doing is if any duplicate values for the first name is also created, that what it does is it will avoid and it will terminate those values over there. Okay, so this is the task for the thing. Okay, so first what you need to do, you have to go for the contact object. In order to go for the contact, go for the setup page and open the object manager. So you can see object manager here. Object manager, all the objects will be present over here. Okay, but before to that, what you need to do is you have to search for the matching rule concept. So see here, matching rules is there here. Matching rule concept is there here, correct? So here we have to select for matching rules. You close, if you get this one, just close it one. Now you can see there are 3 active matching rules are there. Okay, 3 active matching rules are there here. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a matching rule for our object called contact. So new rule, go for the new rule. Okay, and you can see a page here, object, and we have to select our object contact. You can see our contact object has been selected because they are telling us to do the matching rule for the contact object, right? So go for the next option. Then they are asking us to give the rule name, correct? So what is the rule name? So guys, listen carefully and see this thing. Participants, the rule name and the unique name should be same as what they have mentioned in order to get the assessment or the task to be cleared. See, this because Salesforce, not only Salesforce, you take any programming language or anything kind of thing. If the case sensitive, if the like matching, if the case sensitive is not done, then you might not be clearing the assessment or task. Okay, so C should be caps, O should be small. So the name you copy and paste it from the optimizer, that because to avoid any data redundancy or whatever, to avoid the uh, marks, not to hold the marks, and unique name as well. So take the unique name from there. Okay, and just go for the pasting of the unique name. So not only to take unique name will already selected. Contact with fuzzy logic. You can see underscore is added to make unique. They have added the underscore. Okay, then after selecting a unique name, what you need to do is now field. Here you can see field, right? So what they are telling is we need an exact value. We need an exact value. Okay, and what is the field they are asking? They are asking a field called email, correct? So we'll check first name, last name, sorry, first name and email. Okay, email I have selected here, field, and exact. Okay, field name is email, and under the email I have selected, like they have taken matching method is exact. Okay, then again go for the second field. The second field they are telling about first name, right? So first name, you have to search for the first name first. Yes, first name I got here. Select the first name as well. But again, they are selected the method is exact. Now, no. We have to go for the method. The method is fuzzy first name. This is the method. Fuzzy first name is the method. Okay, this should be the matching method. Fuzzy first name. Done. Now, after that, so they are telling that now save that one, save, and yeah, just go for the save. Nothing else apart from that. Just go for the save option. Okay, so we have done. So we have created a rule, contact with fuzzy logic. Okay, and the status, it is inactive. It is inactive, but here they are telling that to activate your matching rule. That means you have created a rule. Okay, but what is about the activation? You have to activate us, right? So that is the reason you have to go for the activate button. Now it's telling that we are activating your matching rule. We'll send an email to our what are the mail you have registered when the activation process will be complete. So now you will be receiving the email to your like a respective mail IDs. Okay, regarding the rule, matching rule. If the email is exact, matching is set to be false, and contact first name is fuzzy, then the matching is set to be false. Like that, it's not true, it's false. They are stating. Okay. Then both the status it is telling as active. So once it is active, now go and check the score. Check the score. Check challenge to earn points. Check challenge to earn points. Yeah, we have done. Okay, so this model duplicate management is done. So here they are nothing but they are this what they are doing here in the sense. Okay, if they found any email duplicacy, they will remove that one. If they found any exact value, okay, in the in the name as well, if they found any duplicate value, they are telling here that don't select this option. Selecting the option considered first name and field left blank as evidence of a duplicate. Okay, so if suppose you are filling first name, second name, sorry, last name in major of the forms, and you can see one asterisk symbol over there. Asterisk symbol in the sense, this is a mandatory field, correct? So if suppose and they have not made a mandatory one, and the first name has left blank, then who are having the only one name, what they will do is they will go for the last name and they will fill up the value. If the first name is not like if they left blank, then it will make a duplicacy and the data is improper because we are not getting a proper data, right? Someone will be Ankit Khurana, a name called Ankit Khurana. If the Ankit is not a surname, if suppose Ankit is a surname, let's take an example. Ankit is a surname, and Khurana, sorry, will make it vice versa. Khurana is a surname and Ankit is a main name. So what they have mentioned is Ankit is the main name. They have mentioned and they left Khurana. Then again, one person came and he mentioned only Khurana. Then there is a duplicacy have been raised up, right? That's the reason to avoid all these things. The Salesforce duplication removal model will help out to have a pure and quality data with the sales representative. I hope you people have cleared it out, like you people have done this assessment as well, cleared the task as well, and you have understood as well. Okay, so shall we go for the next one? So next one is about our reports and dashboards. Okay, so just I will go back. Reports and dashboards. Yes. I hope you people have completed that one. Okay, let's move on to the next model, that is reports and dashboard for the lightning experience. This is the model what we are going to cover. Okay, guys, I just wanted to tell you one thing about this before starting this reports and dashboard. Whatever business you take, now I'm going to explain about this one business model about how reports and dashboards make a effective business. Okay, just now we thought about how to remove the duplicacy of the data or how to avoid the redundant data into the reports and as well. But after that, how to prepare a report with which have a value into that, where everyone can understand what is there in the report, where anyone can track the report and make easily they can understand what is going in the what they are going to represent, what they are going to show about in the report. So the report should be very clear and meaningful, right? So if the report is very clear and meaningful, the dashboard is one of the diagrammatic representation of the report you can tell, where you can show the dashboard, where you can show the dashboard in terms of graph, in terms of bar, in terms of charts, many things, which makes a diagrammatic representation to attract the to attract the viewers to our reports. See, if you just show the numbers, nobody will care about like no one will see that much interesting. If you show in kind of a diagrammatic representation way, animation way, that which makes a meaningful thing, and of course the viewers also will look at to the report, right? So here that what we are going to learn to create the reports and dashboards in the Salesforce. So reports are very important in order to have a good business running. If you want to run a good business. Okay, so like in the report, you can also see which are the products are my top sellers. Example, I'm preparing the report. In that report, my iPhone 16 Pro Max is been sold for like the 100 iPhones have been sold last month. What about Samsung? Only 56. Okay, only 56. So I can compare, right? I can apply the filter logic and I can see the report, and I can also see which is the highest seller, which is the lowest seller. Okay, which selling product has more margin. Everything you can extract all the details from the report, right? That's what we make the report for. Correct? Like, are you able to understand? Clear? Very good. Done. Okay. Venkatraman, Jai Banerjee, please respond. Is it making sense? Yes, thank you. Okay. Okay, Venkatraman, clear. Thank you. So this is how we actually like we do. They are telling that here some points they have given here, like how to track my top sellers, which highest value prospect is highest value in the sense. Let's take an example. Which product has more margin? Suppose if I'm selling iPhone for 10 Pro, 16 Pro Max, I'm buying for 1 lakh rupees and I'm selling for 1 lakh 5,000 rupees. And I'm Samsung, I'm buying for 25,000 and selling for 50,000. Then which have more margin? Samsung has more margin, right? So that also it's a point of view, right? That is also important aspect, right? But those all things can be tracked, reported into the reports only. And how the customers are satisfied by in buying which phone they have satisfied, what is the rating of the phone, what is the feedback the customers have given out of 5. So all these things can be tracked in the report, right? Example, let's say my training department, I'm into the training department. If I want to know about my all these things that I will share a feedback or something like that, then they will give it feedback, then I will make an average of the feedback. How do I do that? I will do with the help of Excel. By applying the formula, I will do and I will make a report of that. Correct? Simple. So everywhere reports are important. Reports and dashboards are very important. But the thing is here, the meaningful reports are done with the help of like more without having any complexity, and also the reports have done with an ease of manner. Okay, Power BI, you can take an example of Power BI, very good tool which you use to create a reports and dashboard, right? So that kind of things we have a there in the Salesforce also. Okay, so they are telling that report type is like a template. Okay, like what is the how to build a report. Okay, and how to select the records, how to select the fields which are available in the report, all these things, and what is the primary object of the report, what is the main object, like why the report have been prepared. Okay, all these things, and what is the how many objects, which are the main objects, and how do we relate those objects, all these things, what are the lead, what is the opportunity, everything will be mentioned over in the report on. And what is a dashboard? A dashboard is one of the visual display of the report. Example, diagrammatic representation, graph representation, also you can tell visualization, visual display of the report. It's nothing but a dashboard, right? So this is about the reports and dashboard, what they have like told in the Salesforce, what they are going to try to explain the report, the Salesforce is. Then there are two questions they have asked over here. Okay, so I will just go for the reading part. Okay, so there are two questions. This is two very important, and like these are two very easy questions, I can say. What is the dashboard they are telling? A dashboard is one of the visual display of the key metrics and trends for the recording of our organization. Correct? I told you this thing. Then the next question they are asking is, what does a report type determine? Like the report, what is the report type? Yes, someone said the answer. The answer is A. Venkatraman has said A. Very good, Venkatraman. You have told a very perfect answer, right answer. Like which field and records are available for use when creating a report, correct? So what is the main objective of the report type? Like what type of field is available? What type of record we are record we are going to assign for the field? So that is the thing when we are going to determine a report type. Okay, so 2A, we'll go with this one, and then go for the check quiz. So yes, 100%. Both the question answers are correct. I hope you understood this part of reports. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Let's move on to the next topic. The next topic is about creating a reports with the report builder. Creating a report with the report builder. creating a report with the report builder. Okay. Now I will tell you what is this. So report builder, it is nothing but when we are going to create a report, we need a tools, right? Example, you take Excel as a tool. You take Google Slides as a tool, Google Sheet as a tool, whatever you want, you can take and you can build a report. Now here we are going to build a report with the report builder. Report builder is one of the Salesforce tool which help us to build a report with ease. So what we are going to do, we are going to drag and drop the report builder. Okay. And we are going to create it out. And everything is pre-built. We are not going to do any extra things here. We're just going to drag and drop and we are going to apply some filters and we are to apply some tabs over there and you can prepare your report. That is how this Salesforce is helping us to prepare the report in a finest way. Okay. So therefore, we'll start with the report part. Okay. So everyone, please come to the part called create reports, the report builder in your Salesforce account, and scroll down and go for the launch option. Go for the launch option. Okay, one question for you all. Are you people in what domain you people are in CS, AML, or any other domain people are in? Can leave a chat message. Okay, MCA, Venkatraman. Which year, man? MCA, which year? All are from MCA background? Like all are from MCA? Any civil here or any other? Oh, already completed. Good. So what about rest? Rest participants. I can see only Venkatraman texting. You have to be interactive, guys. Because yeah, what about Amita, Jai Banerjee, Venkatraman? Okay, Venkatraman done. Jai Banerjee and Amita. Okay, so we'll go with that our new topic, creating reports with the report builder. So after launching, so what first I will tell you what they are asking is, okay, first we'll explain I will explain what is this topic assessment task is. See, to create a new trail playground for the hands-on step and challenge in the model. CEO, there is a CEO name called Sita Nagappan. Okay. And wants to get a better handle on where the company leads are coming from. So, say example, there are some digital marketing person who is running the campaigns. We have so many different ways, like example, social media, maybe a Google AdWords or a search engine or YouTube or affiliated marketing. And so many from so many campaigns, he is getting the leads. Now, CEO, this Sita Nagappan, to the leads is about the business side, where how the customers are coming from where the customers are coming, who is actively involving into the bringing these customers. So all this tracked report should be fetched by the CEO, right? Not CEO, sales manager even, but they have given the example as CEO. Then what she will do is she will create a report. Okay, now they are asking that to create a report for Theta that includes the lead state or province. Okay, so what they're telling is this Theta wants to know about how the leads are coming up. So she have assigned a task to the Salesforce team that I need to get a report how the leads are from where the leads are coming out. So please get me a report over that. Then, so this is the task. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. This is the task. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new report, and the report types is leads. Yeah, yes, we of course, because it's not about the report type is contact or any account or any other offer. Nothing. It is about the leads, and we are going to concentrate about the leads only. And we are going to apply the standard time is the filter, like standard time, that is standard filter is all time that from where all the reports leads how from where it come. So like past from 6 months, 2 months, whatever it may be, and Salesforce doesn't check it's telling that I won't check for this one. And which state or like which province or state the leads are coming, and what is the lead source, whether it is a email where marketing, it is whether it is a Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, affiliate marketing. So that is the lead source, and save the report, and the report name they are telling to save as a lead source report, and make it as a public reports. Okay, they are asking to give the name for the report as a public report, and then save and send it to the Sita. That is the task. I hope you have understood this thing. Now go for the launch, and now what we are going to do is we'll go for the reports option. Okay, the topic name what we are going to do is I'll just show again. Create a report with report builder. Create a report with the report builder. This is the target. This is the topic. Okay. Yes. Now, first thing, what we need to do here in the sense, okay, now we can see a setup page. Go for the setup page. Go for the setup page. There is, you can see the lead object is there. We have a lead object, and lead is one of the standard object. It's, yeah, lead. You can see lead is a standard object here. Lead is a standard object. Okay. Now, so just go for the app launcher and search for reports. Search for reports. Search for reports. Now you can see reports. Correct? You can see the report. Now here they are asking us to create the report. Create the report. Then go for new report option. Then go for new report option. Okay. And what about the report? Which report we are going to do? We are going to create a leads report. So please select on the leads report. Select the leads report. And then start reports. Leads report and then start reports. Now you can see what is the standard filter they have applied here. Like the filter was applied for all time, right? So click on the all time. Like there is no particular time they have mentioned. I want a report from so and so time. They are just told that all time report I want. Okay. Yes. So all time report. I think it's loading. taking much time because of data. Okay, so I will go for refresh. Now you can see, you can see the reports. A report has generated, and you can see the first name, last name, title, company, email, the lead source. You can see web, phone inquiry, purchase lead. These are the lead sources. What the CEO want this report. Okay. The main thing is CEO wants to see how the reports are coming out. Now we can see that these are the reports, these are the lead sources. What actually CEO is trying to find. Okay. So when you got this thing, now the first part, what you need to do is you have to go for they are asking to check for the from which state province. No, we got the lead source, right? We have checked the all time. Now we have got the lead source. Okay, now we are going to check about the state province. So from which state we are getting the reports. Okay, so all these things we have to find out now. That is the main part, and then we have to save and we have to submit the report to the CEO. That is the actual task what we need to do as per the instructions. Then here, state, province. See, there is a lead address here, state, province. Select this one. State, province. Select that one. So that is applied. And then once it applied, and you can see here, lead source is there, state, province. Okay, everything is there here. Everything is there. We have state, province, we have first name, we have last name, we have title, we have company account, we have email, we have lead source, we have state, we have rating, all things, lead owner, we have all the things here. And that's it. So close this one. Close this one as well. So we have all these things. Okay. Now what is the thing is our next step is we have to save the report. We have to save the report. All things done. Now we have to save the report, and we have to give a name to the report. We have to give a name to the report, right? So what is the name they are asking is lead source report. Copy this well and paste it over here. Copy this one and paste it over here. Unique name. So did they told about anything about unique name? No, just leave it unique name, and then scroll down and select folder option is there. You make it as a private folder. Sorry, public folder. It is a private. Therefore, you make it as public folder. As they mentioned, the report should be in public. The folder should be public reports. So make it as public reports. Okay, and then go for save option. And then go for save option. Then what we can do is we can directly send this report to the CEO as per her guidance and instruction what she asked. So we have shared the report to her. Okay. See, without doing anything, we prepared the report in minutes. Okay. Like actually, I was explaining here. Always we can do in even within 1 minute also. Right. It's very easy. So this is how we can prepare the reports easily in the Salesforce. Okay. Then go for check challenge. Then go for check challenge. And now our first task is done. Any doubts so far? Good, Venkat. Good, Banerjee. So you got 500 points, right? Okay, good, very good. So you see, you can, there are so many options they have provided here. Okay, so save and run, like you can also save this one and close, run, all these things. Download option also will be like provided, but here as per the instruction, because we are not actually the owner of this one, it's a dummy report one. Maybe not, we don't get this option here. But yeah, of course, you can see. So my leads are showing on all time. Okay, all time I have given here. So if you are applying any date, no, all time, the range is all time. If you taken current financial year, previous financial year, if you don't want all time report, you can select one of the year, fiscal year, and then you will get the details about the report as per the required things. I hope it is clear. Now we'll go for the next one. We'll go for the next one now. And the next one, the next topic is filter your report. We have completed our, we have created our report. Now what we are going to do is we are going to apply the filter formula. Like we are going to filter our report as per the things what they are asking. Now, before going to that, I wanted to tell you something about filtration. Okay, so example, there is a lot of data available into the report which you have prepared. Now you are finding very difficulty to have the exact value of the reports. So what you will do, you will go for the filter, or simply you will go for the filter option, right? Filter option allows you, example, you are the, suppose I am the trainer and you are all the students. Now there are some in my batch, there is a batch ID I have, that is 3003. It's a batch ID, and into that batch there are some 100 students. When I'm opening the report, I have some 5 lakh students or 5,000 students into my database, where all the other trainers have been involved. But what I want is, I want to search only Venkatraman data. Okay, I want to search Venkatraman detail. So I cannot go and find where is Venkatraman, right? If I go for a shortcut V, that is Control plus V also, like so Control plus F also, I cannot. I feel very difficult to search particular Venkatraman data. So what I will do is I will go with the filter option and I will apply the batch ID formula. And in that batch ID formula, again I will apply one more formula, like one more filter option about the V, and I will select the Venkatraman and I will get the exact details. So to do this, I will take on 30 seconds to complete, right? In order to waste. So that is very important. Filtration of the reports are very important. So there are some field filtration we have some standard filtration, we have logical filtration, we have some cross filtration, all these things. Okay. So field standard filtration, like we may mostly deals with the standard filter object. Okay, where we show the data about the date option, and what are the grouping, like for particular batch ID, how many students are there. Okay, and they are related to which group. All these things can be done by the standard filter. So there are so many filter options are there. So that's what we are going to see in our filter report as well. Okay, so go to the last part and go for the challenge option. Now, first, before starting this thing, I will going to explain you what is this task about. Okay, so there is a product called Ada Balwa is a product name. Okay, and this product supports specialist at Ursa Major Solar. So there is a company called Ursa Major Solar. And guys and participants, one more thing I wanted to highlight, because this project Ursa Major Solar is one of the best. If study this project in detail, you may feel this Salesforce exam easy, and also it will be helpful for you to get a certification, even a global certification, even because most of the factors and most of the questions, most of the things have been covered with this Ursa Major Solar. If you explore this project once, you will get many a lot of idea regarding with the Salesforce technology, how actually it is implementing. Okay, then next one, what I'm going to tell you is how to what they are telling is Ursa Major Solar, and she want to monitor support cases for their energy and electronic industry customer that have not been escalated. So there is some escalation is going on, the support cases went, but they have not been escalated. She would like to exclude any structured defects from the report, and you can set up the conditions in multiple ways. We are doing in this way, so you can see how filter logic works. So actually, what happens is this product support of Ursa Major, she wanted to monitor the support case, like what is the feedback, what is the support we have provided to the customers. The customers have escalated about some issues to our electronic devices, and how did we solve that issues? How did we taken that issues? That report she is asking, and she is asking to prepare along to apply the filter formula and to check it out. Okay, so for that, what we need to do is we have to create a case report. Okay, we are going to create a case report. Now for this option, actually, I don't want to tell you. I will just guide you. You please try it yourself, and tell me if it is not coming. Okay, so we have to create a case report. Again, go for the reports, app launcher, go for the report, and go for the start report. Then set the unit standard to, there are some unit standard filter to days. So she is asking to set the units to days option, and verify the following fields are included. So in the fields, mention that like filter formula, apply the filter formula and select the fields called industry, status, and type. Okay, then set up the following custom filters in their order. Like when for the industry, you make it as industry is equals to energy. Okay, and again industry equals electronics, and then status is not equal to escalated, like not equal to escalated. That means the report, she's asking a report which is not escalated. The report feedback has given feedback has given about the product, that this product is not working, though the feedback has given, they have not escalated that one. So she's asking that status, and type should be, this type should be equals to structural, and the filter logic is 1 or 2 and 3 and not. So apply this filter logic, like it is the default logic. If you search, you will get, if you open, you will get this logic. Okay, then save this report in the shared folder. Report name should be case by state. Again, folder should be saved in the report, should be saved in the public reports. Okay, so do this and inform me once. If you are facing any errors or any issues regarding this filtration, please let me know. I will help you to solve it. I will wait. I will wait until you. I hope you got. Please confirm this one. It's chat box. Participants, please confirm this thing. I will give some time. 10 minutes. Then we'll solve. If you can't, you just tell me. I will tell you how to do the filtration. Yes, I got a message. See. Okay, okay, Venkatrama. Proceed. What about Amita? Amita, are you there? So I have given the access to speak. Okay. Raman done. I have given the access to speak for you all. If not, let me know. It is done.
Yeah, I have completed, sir. I'm done.
Okay, okay. Okay, can you explain, Venkatraman? I have given the access for you. So I think you have got the idea. Let me know, like, how did you done? How did you complete it?
Yeah, so I have created a report with case.
Okay. So you have given the name for the report, right?
Yeah, so I
Okay.
have selected case.
Mm.
So once I am entered into the case, in the left
Mm.
side I have changed the units. It was uh, hours. It was hours. I changed
Oh,
it to days,
okay.
and then I have added these three fields: industry, status, and type. The way,
Okay, okay. Wait. Venkat,
yeah,
just hold on. So imagine I don't know about this, how to prepare that one. Okay, create the report. Okay, let you just explain. I will just do it for you. Okay,
Yeah,
it
yeah,
will be good so that others also they can also understand. So
yeah.
yeah, I'm to the this one, my playground, and I'm going for my reports column now. Okay, it's slow. Okay, reports. I'm going for the reports. Yeah, I'm in the reports now.
New
Yeah,
report.
Venkat, I don't know about anything now. You just imagine and now tell me what to do.
Click on the new report button, which is on the right top.
Yeah, first new report.
Yeah, new
Oh,
report.
new report. Fine. Then what
And
about thing?
in the left side, click on the top left, all.
Okay.
And then in the search button, you have to click on case.
Okay, I have done cases.
Yeah,
Hmm. Okay. Let's
start
start
report.
report. Very good. Slowly, slowly, let them also get understood. Yeah.
Yeah. And now
Then
click on filters on the left side.
very good.
And then the units, you have to
Units.
change it to
Yeah.
days.
So in the units column, we have so many options. Like we have minutes, hours, and days. But as per the this one, they are asking about the days one, right? So
Yeah,
yeah, we have selected about days, and we'll go for the apply option.
yeah.
Okay.
And then I refresh the top.
Okay. Then I have refreshed. Very good.
And then click on outline on the left
Yeah.
top.
First, before this one, they have selected now here the date time opened. And like open and status is open. There are two status here, open and closed. Yes, this is the thing that you need to know. Yes, Venkat. Next, what you did?
And the left top, there is something called outline.
Okay.
And in the columns, we have to type add column is there, right? There we have to type the fields. I have to
Oh,
go see there what are the fields.
mhm. So,
Uh,
what we have?
no, I need to see what fields.
Oh, okay. Now wait, wait. I will just show you. Yes.
Yeah,
So this
it's status type and no above little
yeah,
scroll up.
industry.
Industry status type. We
Okay.
have to add one by one industry
Okay. Industry. I have taken industry.
status
We'll go for status. Then we have one more
type
is
type.
type. Okay. So type. Yes. Done.
Now we'll refresh it
We'll check
again.
whether it is added. Yeah, it is added.
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll
Huh.
refresh it again
Okay, we'll refresh it again.
just to see that we can scroll towards right so that we can fill those fields
Yeah.
industry
So
status
we
and
can
type
see
it
here
is added.
industry, status, and type, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so it's about the electronic goods and so what is the status they are asking and type. Okay, very good. Next.
again click on filters.
Then again, we had to filter in this order, right?
Yeah,
So again, we have to go for the filter option. Yes.
yeah.
Huh.
And above that towards the right of the filter there is an arrow down mark.
Yeah, yes. I this one show fields. Huh.
No, no, not that one. The filters itself.
Hmm.
We have to add a filter. Yeah,
Okay.
no,
Cross
just add
filter.
a filter. Sorry, not this one. Just click outside. Add a filter. We have to type it there.
Okay. Huh.
The field. What was that field?
Okay, I will go open that one as well. Industry, equal energy.
Industry. Yeah, industry. We have to click
Okay.
select, and
Huh.
then equals. Below that, we have to select. Uh, there was one electronics was there.
Yeah, I will open that one. What is they are asking equals.
Energy. Yeah, energy.
Okay, just hold on. We'll scroll.
No, we can type it there.
Yeah, yeah, we know, but laptop
Oh, okay. I think it's. Oh,
yeah. See, its page is not responsive. That's the reason.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, just cancel this.
Industry equals energy.
Okay, I will select from here only.
Yeah,
Energy.
and apply.
Okay.
And
Done.
again click on add filter there. So we have to again industry
In industry,
and now electronics.
electronics, apply.
Yeah, apply.
Apply here.
And then we need to see what is the other
In
one.
leads, they are asking about, sorry, type.
Status. Status.
No, no, no. See. Status, yeah, status.
Status.
Status, and then
Not equal to. Now
not
we select not equal to. Escalated. Apply.
apply.
Yeah, again one more is there.
Type.
Yeah, type.
And what is the value for the type they have mentioned? Type they are telling about equals to structural.
Structural. The
Okay,
last
so
one. Yeah, that's the structural. Apply.
hmm.
And now refresh.
All these things we have added.
Yeah,
Hmm.
refresh. Okay. We need to copy that filter, the red color filter logic.
Yes. So 102 and 304. Okay.
Yeah, we have to copy that.
Hmm. Then after that, what you
Uh,
did?
Filters after that. Scroll up, I mean the left side.
Okay.
Filters, there is a arrow down mark next to the filter header. Above, I mean whatever we have searched, no, above that there is a arrow down mark.
Okay.
Add filter logic.
Okay.
There we have to paste it. Delete the existing one and paste it. Apply.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Very good, man.
Okay. Now we need to see the next instruction. What
The
exactly it
next,
is?
that's it. Now they are asking to give the report name.
We
And
have to copy that cases by status.
first, what we have to do, we have to save this one.
Yeah, save.
First, go for save option.
Then
Then
paste that
report name is cases by status.
and scroll
And
down
option is not needed.
and
Then take it
select
as
folder to public.
folder as public. Then select folder and
Save.
then save. Now report cases status was saved, and you can also see the report everything here. Correct?
Yeah.
So see industry. Now we can see industry, status, type, everything we can see here. Now we'll go for the our challenge part and we'll check the challenge. So industry equals electronics in the case status. It's not found.
Maybe that was not saved. We need to go and check.
Industry equals energy. Okay.
So
It's not.
industry equals apparel we have added. Somehow we have clicked twice. See, if you see industry, the second one, second option,
Yes.
click on that. So there are multiple things apparel added.
It's only should be electronics.
Only electronics.
Yeah, correct.
What else? Yeah, now we can save.
We got an error also. It's good. We got an error so that you can also understand what is the error.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we
Then,
can need to save again.
yeah,
Save
save. Again, save it.
Yeah.
The report has been saved successfully.
Check for
Again,
challenge.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Venkat. You have done a fabulous job. Okay, I
Thank you.
think the participants have come to know about this task as well. I'm just talking about Amita and Abhay. Okay, so yes, so that's how we have completed our filter logic part topic as well. Okay, now we'll go to our next part, that is the format your report. Okay, format your report. So before going to this report, the format your report part, I will just give you one 5 minutes of break. Okay, 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Like 7:40. Okay, 7:40, 7:34 is the time. Just 5 minutes. Okay. So we'll be going for the next topic, format your report. Okay. So formatting is nothing but removing the standard things which are there and applying the customization which we want. Okay, that is the main thing of the formatting the report. So here just I'm going to explain you about how just we remove the group or any filter. We'll apply some filter logic and we'll apply the logic in such a way that we'll delete the existing part and we'll create or we'll add our new part which is needed. So that is called formatting. So formatting a report here we do for the same report what we have created just now, the cases report. Okay. So here again I will just explain you what this challenge is telling about us to do is. So Roboto Alaverse, okay, Utsa Major Solar CEO has asked for a report of the company customer services cases. Okay. So she's asking a report for the company's customer services cases. He wants the report formatted so he can see at a glance which cases are new and which are closed. Okay, so this in this report, this person is asking, I just wanted to weave the report of the cases which is new, like which of the cases have been generated with the new in terms of electronic products, and which cases which have been raised from the customers have been solved out, and the status of the cases is showing closed. So that for that he wants to create a report and he's asking to create a report to us. Okay, so understood, right? My the concept behind this one, very easy, actually very easy. Now we will go to launch the option. We are going to launch the reports, this one. Okay. Now again go for our same thing that we go for to our app launcher, then again we'll go for the reports. We'll go for the reports. Okay, we'll go for the reports. And again, a new report. We are generating a new report. The reports which have generated, it was showing there. Again, we are generating a new reports. And again, so all, and we have to create a case report, right? So cases. Okay, and then see, simply just all, and then in the all select the report type. They are asking cases, standard object, so cases, and then start report. So this is one more report we are going to generate. Now what he is asking, he is asking to apply this filter. Okay, what filter? Open date and range is all time. Okay, so he's asking to apply that filter. Open date all time. Yes, this is applied all time and the date is opened. Okay, no need to do anything here. It's already applied. Leave as it is. Okay, so this is done. Now in the field column, he is telling about to add these fields, that is case owner field, subject field, and account name field to one group that is called status. Understood? So all this field we had to add. Which field? Case owner field. We have to add subject field. We have to add account name, subject and case name. To add one, we have to add all the fields to the group called status. Okay. So here you can see these are the fields. Now in this, you remove this age, you remove this open, you remove this closed, and let it be the remaining, let it be the same. Okay, case owner, account name, subject, date time opened. Okay, it is does it making any sense? Date time opened. Okay, no. Yeah. So here after that, go for groups. Okay, and what is the group they are asking to add? They're asking to add the group called status. Status. Okay, so we have to add a group called status, and the remaining this thing should be the same thing. Date opened also you remove, just remove. Okay, so we have done all these things. We've added the group called status, and we have applied all the fields to that one. Okay, then we'll go for the save option. And what is the name of the report? They have asking case status, right? So yeah, case status. So just select this one and paste over here. See if you have any space in between that, and report about the when come about to the when you see about the folders, they haven't precisely mentioned to select for the public, because since it's for the COO, so we don't want to go with the public folder. So just save the report in the private reports folder in this, and go for the save option. Now our report case status was saved successfully with all the above options what they have mentioned. Okay, then go for the challenge and check the score. So is it done? Participants, is it done? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So then we'll go for the next topic. Our next topic is to create some. So far, we have seen about how to create the report, how to apply the filter logic with the report, how to format the report, right? So all these things we have said. Now we are going for the next and important aspect of the report, is the last aspect of the report, that is visualize your data with the Lightning Dashboard Builder, right? So when you come to the, when you see the word, when you hear the word dashboard, the first option you will be seeing that how, if we want to prepare a report, suppose if we have prepared a report to show that report, now if I just show this report to the client, this client will, this report sees that, okay, if there are so many conflicts in this report, I want to read all these things, but I want this one in a graphical representation, like how many edge communication account names are there, like how many subjects are there, like I just wanted to see a graphical report. Then what, in order to make it happen, what do we do is we'll go with the our report, that is the report name is mainly the dashboard. Okay, so it is kind of a report only, but it is a graphical representation, a visual representation of the report, is that nothing but a dashboard that we know. Okay, so we do have a dashboard builder. We do have a dashboard builder. Okay, and the dashboard is said to be in different types of. We have a different types of dashboards. Like we have a widget type. Like you can see, this is the bar chart, so graph one, and this is a donut chart. Okay, pyramid. Okay, all these things, speedometer, all these things considered to be a dashboard in form of a report. Okay, we're just showing the number in form of a report. See, you can see this is a donut. We call it as a donut chart. Okay, so this is one of the dashboard where you can see here the leads came up. Web leads came. How many web leads are came? We got some 7 web leads, and then 4 inquiry we got some 4. Then partner referral we got around 4. Then purchase list, how many the leads have been converted, that is 7. So this is the interesting fact that every client want to see this kind of reports rather than seeing just only the numbers. If you show in a diagrammatic or visualized representation, he will understand, and he will also look at the report carefully, and he will also understand, okay, so this is happening, what is happening, right? So that is what we build. In order to, by having that perspective in our mind, we're going to prepare the report, a dashboard report. Okay, so that is what here they are telling is. Now here they are telling the what is the task here they have mentioned is, okay, what is the task they have mentioned here is, so it's a company, okay, So create an opportunity report and add it to a dashboard. So Lincoln Ulrich, it is the top salesperson at Ursa Major Solar. So one of the person called Ulrich is the top salesperson, okay, and wants a dashboard that shows all the company's deals. So he wanted to access the dashboard. So for that, he need all the access of the company's sales report. So he wants to see quickly. Now he don't want to. He don't want to waste his time in order to see what are the account and all how to in order to avoid the navigation. What he's telling it, I want to see all the data quickly. So give me a prepare me a report and give it to me. He's one of the head salesperson, you can imagine. Then he want to see quickly how many opportunities his team has at each stage of the pipeline. Then you have to create a underlying opportunity report, then create a dashboard and add the widget to the report donut chart. So I'm telling, so they are also telling that we need a report in the form of a donut chart. Okay. So again, what you need to do, again, you have to go for the same report part only. Okay, go for the launch option. Again, go for the same playground starter and search their reports. Search their reports. Okay, same thing. Again, once you open the report, so far you can see these are the reports we have done. These are the reports we have done, correct? So our next is what is the report, like what is the thing we are going to have? So next we are going to prepare a visualize your data with the Lightning Dash Builder. Okay, so this is the thing what we are going to do. Now, yes. Now here we have to create a report for the what object? We have to create a report for the type opportunities, right? Type opportunities. So go back to the part, and then again new report, then again new report. And here all and opportunities. See, opportunities we have here, correct? Select the opportunities and then go for starter report. Starter report. I hope everyone got this thing. Opportunity and starter report. Then after that, they are telling us to go for date. That is here they are telling that standard filter, close date and all time. Okay, so first we have to apply that one filter option. So yeah, close date and range should be all time. It's mentioned some different time here, so make it as a all time and then apply. And then apply. Then go for refresh. Then go for refresh option. Now all time data we got. Okay. Then what they are telling is they are telling the field opportunity name and owner. Okay. The field opportunity name and owner, and we have to add that into the group. We have to add in the group stage, correct? So that is the thing we have to do it here. Now outline. Then we'll search for the stage. Search stage is added. Then field is opportunity name and owner. It's there. Opportunity name and owner, both are the things we have here. Okay. Then we have to give a report name as, so here we have done all these things. We have added opportunity name and owner. Then report name, we have to we have to save the report called opportunities in stages. Save the report. opportunities in stages. Okay, again, the reports, public reports, it is a private report, they haven't mentioned. Okay, so since they haven't mentioned, you just go for the save option. Directly go for the save option. So we have included all the details and we have saved it. Okay, now you can see our report is there. Our report is there in form of the opportunities and a name and owner. Okay, then now what we are going to do here in the sense, we are going for search and then dashboards. Then dashboards. Just beside to the report builder, we have a dashboard here, correct? Now we have to create a dashboard. We have to create a dashboard. And what is the dashboard name? What is the dashboard name they're asking? New dashboard. Click on the dashboard, then new dashboard. And you have to give the name for the dashboard. The name is Big Deals. Name, give the name, Big Deals, and just go for create. Just go for create. Okay. Then we have to add a widget, right? We have to add a widget. So click on the widget part, chart or table, select the chart or table. So opportunities in stages, correct? We have to select this one, that report we have created, then go for select option. And opportunities in stages we got here. So they are telling to display in the form of donut chart and then go for add. Now see, a record count, opportunity in stages, record count 1, 1, 1, 1. So all these things got and the total is 31. So you got the report in the form of a donut chart. Correct. Then just simply, now you can see the report which we have created just now, which we have created. Now we can see in the form of donut chart and then go for save option and dashboard is saved successfully. Then go for check challenge to underperforms. Check challenge not. Simple, right? Is it clear? Yeah, done. Is it clear? Participants?
Yes, sir. Mine is also completed. It's very clear.
Complete. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, good. Yes. So this is how we have covered our like reports and dashboard model as well. Okay, so two models we have created so far. That is duplication of the data and visualize your preparing the reports and dashboard by using the Lightning experience. So these two models we have completed and we got like almost 5 plus 5, that is 2,500 points also we have received from this one. Okay, so this is how, sorry, 2,100 points. This one is 100 points. Okay, so this is how you have to create the report, format the report, filter or apply the filter logic to the report. And after that, after doing all these things, if you want to show in the time of like visualize representation of the report, then you have to prepare a dashboard for the quick meeting. Suppose if there is a quick meeting and the salesperson have to understand what are the things, then he will ask us to like prepare a dashboard and show it to him, and also he will explain the same to the in the meeting. Okay, so this is how we make a reports and dashboard, and also we how to avoid the duplicacy redundant data into the like Salesforce. We also do that in a very proper way. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with my session, and I hope you people have learned this one and you apply this to your project as well if needed. And thank you all for joining, and thank you, Venkat, for being an active participant. Okay, I hope you have understood all the concepts very well, and I am very happy that you also explained one quite part in an easier manner. Thank you for that as well. Okay, so next session you will meet Aditya sir, and he will carry the session from the next time. Okay, yeah. So thank you all. And I wish you all the best and good luck for your upcoming journey. And thank you. You can leave for the day.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.